guys? It's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our video of Serengeti Flyer. This awesome attraction opens at Busch Gardens, Tampa this Monday on February 27, 2023. I really do appreciate Busch Gardens having the channel out and getting this awesome POV of my first reaction of this attraction. I've never really done one like this before, so I didn't know what to expect, but it was incredible. The airtime was ridiculous. Kind of seemed like it was just going to be one of those filler rides, but once I actually sat down, I knew it was going to be epic. Let us know in the comments what your favorite Busch Gardens Tampa ride is. I really do appreciate you watching, and if you did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.